Hello world, this is a flight tracker. This is Asia, this Middle East, Africa, and America. This America. We are here. We check this in Middle East. How too much close airline from Philippine Airlines. All Philippine Airlines close Doha, Riyadh, and Dubai. Where is Doha? Now see Doha, too much tracking here. So there's no airplane here in Iran. Only there. And Israel also still close. So in Middle East very traffic. This is Doha. Now open this. No, yesterday is closed. Now it's still open. So this is updates, guys. Thank you for watching.